Hi friends, welcome to this video. My name is Sasi Kumar Singh. In this video, I am going to tell you how to buy genuine forever products in India. So, if you are buying products yourself, then you must be aware of a few things that you are required to check and get confirmed before buying any kind of products from this company. So let me show you the product itself. Here I have a product which is aloe vera gel, and you can see how it looks, and on top of it you find the logo of this company, which you must see first. Then move on and see whether it follows FSSA Act or not. If you are buying the product in India, then this information you must have with you, that it follows the Food Safety and Standard Act 2006 in India. So this ensures that it is following the Indian rules, FSSAI Act, and if you find something wrong with this product, you can always complain to this authority and they will take necessary actions. Next thing you should know, there are some certifications. Now this company produces the best kind of aloe vera, which is known as aloe barbensis miller, and the contents of the aloe vera has to be verified and confirmed from the established international certifying agencies, which are known as IASC, and halal certifications, then kosher certification. You can see, if you are able to see here, these certifications symbols are there. Okay, so this you should confirm whether it is there or not. You will find on all the aloe vera gels of this company, these certifications will be there on top of the package. Right, next thing you should move on is to see that it is properly sealed. You open it and see how it has been sealed properly. When it comes uh, new, it is properly sealed here. You have to break the seal and then you can use it. So this company take care of packaging very scientifically so that it can be recycled, and that's why you should see that it is properly sealed. There is no break here, right? The this package is not leaking anywhere. All these things you must see. So I have another product which is known as Forever Arctic Sea. Now here also you will find this logo here, company's logo, and Arctic Sea. You will find the ingredients, then the certification. Here also you will find all those things written. So you can see these products also, and like that you have uh, other products too. For your information, this Arctic Sea, as I told you, I am using it myself. It helps you to control your lipid profile, like if you are facing some problems in that direction and you find that your cholesterol level has slightly gone high. In that case, I think this is a food supplement, and there is no side effect, and I can very well use it. So I am using it, and it gives me satisfaction. Oh, so all these products are food products, so don't use it for as medicine, because it is a food products, and but it is going to help you and not going to harm you. Next product is Forever Vitalize. This one also I am using. This is also packed with nutrients that helps you to, you know, get all deficiencies that you have in your body. It is going to fulfill, and here also you will find all those informations written, so you must check it up. Next product is Forever Active HA, which I am using for my joints and bones. Okay, so I hope you got some idea that whenever you buy products from this company, the company ensures that the packaging, the manufacturing, the quality, everything is taken care of by the company itself. There is no mediator in between. So you find a distributor who can guide you to buy these products, and if you buy from distributor, then it is the responsibility of the distributor to give you the best kind of original forever products. If you directly purchase it, then the regional office will ensure that it is delivered to you in a proper way, so there is no break. And also you will find that you can replace your uh, uh, products if it is found broken, or if any abnormal thing you find in the packaging, then it can be returned also. So but you, for yourself, for your satisfaction, you must try to check it before buying. That is going to help you, because the company promises you that it is giving you the best kind of food products, and it is your responsibility also to see that when you have these products in your hand, it is thoroughly checked by you and gives you the benefit, maximum benefit. So that's what I wanted to say. Thank you so much being with me in this video. Please visit my description box if you want to see a webinar which is going to help you to understand how you have going to have different sources of income in your life, which is very important nowadays. Also, you'll find a webinar which will give you information that if you are a network marketing person, if you are uh, trying to gain some knowledge about network marketing, or trying to uh, get some ideas how to join Forever Living products, then that webinar is going to solve all your problems. So guys, do subscribe my channel if you like it. See you in another video. Thank you so much being with me in this video.